Hey everyone, it's Alex from StudioEdge, and today I'm showing you the secret to churning out YouTube Shorts at scale without burning yourself out. If you have a backlog of interviews or tutorials, you know there is literal gold buried in those long-form files, but manually clipping, titling, and scheduling them one by one is an absolute nightmare. Instead of exhausting yourself, we use a batch processing workflow that turns a single hour-long interview into 1 or 2 months of short-form content in one single session. The first rule is to stop making shorts one at a time because that is the slow lane to nowhere. We gather all our clips in one go, then schedule the entire month of uploads in a focused, distraction-free session. In our experience, those 5 shorts you see on our channel actually all originated from one single source interview. We simply repurpose the long-form content into multiple clips, each featuring a unique hook to grab attention immediately. You might already be familiar with AI tools like Opus Clip for quick highlights, and that is definitely a solid place to start if you are just clipping. But if you want to go beyond just clipping and actually automate your calendar management and multi-platform posting, that is where a tool like Vizard changes the game. Vizard does not just find viral moments, it automatically edits them into ready-to-post content and handles the scheduling for you. This tool gives you a central content calendar to tweak, move, and publish everything from one place, which saves us hours every week. Trust me, when you combine AI editing with automated scheduling, you can turn a single afternoon of work into a full month of active content. So what does the step-by-step workflow look like to make this happen? First, get your source material ready by uploading your long interview or tutorial directly into your chosen AI tool. Once the file is uploaded, run the auto-editing feature to let the AI scan your footage for punchy, high-engagement moments. This saves you the biggest chunk of time because you no longer have to scrub through hours of footage manually. The AI effectively surfaces the exact moments that are most likely to work as viral shorts. Next, move on to titling them in batches so you do not have to stop and think between every single clip. We write quick, clicky titles designed for discovery, like How to Film a Pro Selfie or The One Habit That Makes Creators Blow Up. While the software suggests titles for you, I always recommend tweaking them to match your personal channel style. I keep a simple naming convention so that when I glance at my dashboard, I can easily see the dates and topics at a glance. After titling, think about your metadata and keep your descriptions minimal. Shorts do not rely on link traction like long-form videos do, so avoid cluttering your description with too many external links. I usually add just one single line pointing to the full interview and ensure the clip is correctly tagged as a short. Vizard helps here because it prepares the vertical cuts and correct duration automatically so you don't have to reformat anything by hand. Now let's talk about the upload stage where we use a little pro hack. Open your YouTube Studio dashboard and your editing tool side by side on your screen. This side-by-side view helps you track what you have already scheduled so you do not accidentally duplicate your work. If you are using Vizard, you can actually skip the manual upload pane entirely. You simply set your preferred posting frequency such as every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and the tool spaces them out for you. Simpler clippers often stop at delivering the video file, forcing you to name and upload every single one manually. That is exactly where Vizard shines as it closes the loop and manages the final distribution for you. When you do find yourself uploading manually, use our quick checklist to keep things moving fast. Always confirm the clip is vertical and under 1 minute, paste your title, and skip the long description. It is also a good practice to pick a related long-form video so viewers can easily find your original interview. We generally don't put shorts in playlists because YouTube groups them automatically, but linking to the related video is vital. For ad suitability and content declarations, just be honest. Pick the right options and move on immediately. Don't waste time on tags as they rarely matter for shorts compared to your title and your thumbnail choices. Vizard even helps here by auto-generating captions, which we know are huge for retention on mobile. I usually publish the first short from the batch immediately, just to warm up the channel algorithm. Then I schedule the rest so they do not hit the feed all at once and create a backlog of content. Spacing is absolutely critical, so we aim to never publish more than 1 short per day from the same batch. The goal is to keep a steady drip of content flowing so the channel stays active without you having to babysit it every single day. Here is a major pro tip. Do your entire scheduling session in one sitting and get deep into the flow state. Close your phone, turn off Slack, and just move from one upload or clip selection to the next with laser focus. If you are truly focused, you can schedule 30 shorts in about an hour without breaking a sweat. When we do this, we often end up with a full month or 2 of content scheduled and ready to run autonomously. Let's briefly touch on tools because I get asked about this constantly. Opus Clip is great for quick extraction, but it doesn't handle post-scheduling or multi-platform distribution out of the box. Vizard sits in that perfect sweet spot where the AI is smart about clipping, but the platform also helps you manage everything else. Their UI makes batch adjustments incredibly easy, whether you need to rename titles or swap out thumbnails in just a few clicks. One more practical thing we do is label each batch of clips by topic or campaign name. If you did an interview about content systems, put all those clips in a content systems folder so you can pull from that set whenever you want. Vizard's content calendar makes it incredibly easy to visualize where those clips are scheduled and move them around if your plans change. Don't obsess over perfection because the goal is consistent, reliable output. If you can produce 30 pretty strong shorts in one afternoon and have them drip out over weeks, you are way ahead of the game. The algorithm rewards regular posting and consistent hooks, so focus on quantity and cadence first. Finally, remember this mindset. Batch creation plus batch scheduling equals total freedom. You do not have to be chained to your desk every single day if you are smart about how you manage your content. Create your clips, set your schedule, and let the AI keep the engine running while you focus on the next big creative project. If you want the full end-to-end flow with auto editing and a real content calendar, give Vizard a spin and see how your process transforms. We use it because it turns a multi-hour manual grind into a single efficient session that keeps our channel moving for months. If this was helpful, hit that thumbs up button below. And if you want a detailed walkthrough on how we set up our content calendar step by step, drop a comment and I'll make that deep dive video next. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.